Now let's review this figure 21-5B in conjunction with figure 21-5A. And notice we're dealing with Division 2, Class 3 Division 2, again, fibers and flanges, in accordance with NEC 500.5D as in dog 2. Now, storage areas with the following material, are considered to be a Class 3 Division 2 type location, such as rayon, coke fiber, other similar materials, cotton, waste that they store in bags and piles of bales, I should say. Any of these that you see in this boxed in information is kind of storage. It's either areas that is just considered waste that they bale up and then get rid of. But when they move these bales of waste, or even cotton that is baled, dust stares up. And then you worry more about a cloud that with dust it might appear, or fibers and flanges. So here we're talking about flyers, and flanges and fibers. So, it's more of a flash fire. If you get those things circulating around and some way they're ignited, they burn more than they explode, and they're not any groups. We don't have any groups dealing with fibers and flanges like we do gas, vapor, and dust. So that's what this figure 21-5B is illustrating. Areas that would be considered, storage areas that would be considered Class 3, Division 2 locations. And that's what this figure 21-5B is illustrating to the user of the NEC.